What's up, guys? Beautiful day. Psych. It was just 80, right? Today is 35. Um, so today I'm about to give y'all a review on the Tornado Black. I've read a bunch of nice things about it. So the reason why a lot of people don't want to use this is because it blows and it pushes dust, dirt, and all that past your fabric and past your carpet and everything like that. So me, with flipping cars, like a lot of people that flip cars, this will be a good tool for you. So you won't have to. 1 second. All right, so with me and a lot of people like me, when you flip cars, man, you don't really care about that. All you care about is the car's clean. The person care about the same thing. It's the car clean. The average person not gonna clean their own car, in the interior part. So if it's clean to them, it's like boom, it's good. Some people do like to do anal cleaning. So here we have the mixing bowl. So the water in whatever solution, or you can put straight water and spray your solution on whatever you're cleaning. I'm gonna mix it in here, and then probably do like a 25 to 75 ratio of all-purpose cleaner and then water, and then pre-treat the inside. But I'm gonna wipe it down. You got a lot of filler dust and possibly overspray, but I really doubt it's overspray because I'm pretty much wrapped the sunroof and everything when I was painting it. So it comes with some paperwork instructions that I don't really need. It basically shows you how to fix whatever your problems are, and it tells you what to do when what happens. Problem, solution, warranty, care, maintenance, how to clean it, blah blah. You don't really need it. Make sure you put eye protection on. I don't want nothing to shoot in your eye. So the way I'm gonna set this up is I'm just gonna put the male end on, right? And then on one of my paint guns, I'm gonna set it. It says no more than 80 psi. I'm just gonna set it to 75. So I'm gonna just take one of these, set it to 75 psi, and then get ready to clean these doors and seats, carpet, and everything. Well, I got my shop vac over here, boom, and I have a carpet extractor over in my storage. So I'm gonna go get that too in a second. So y'all can see what the car looks like. I'm about to put all the weather stripping and everything back in, and then all the dust that I can wipe, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, so it won't be like an excess of cleaning. But yeah, the car is dirty, but enough talking. I'm about to go ahead and just wipe what I can, and then we'll get into some action with the Tornado Black. All right, connected. All-purpose cleaner. It's my water supply over here, but I'm about to check it out, see what it do. 60 gallon, not sure how many CFMs this take, but it need 75 psi at all times, so pretty sure it's a high CFM. So about to hook it up and then see what we can do. Brought the car outside just because it's not all that bright inside, and yeah, go ahead and do something right there. What it off? Start to hit the switch, turn it up. Now it's on. Yes, it sprays water and whatever cleaner you put in here. Real hard, real fast. Man, works really nice. Works really nice. Got the armor off, keep it from being dry. But that's what they look like. And dust everywhere. And overspray. Well, I'm gonna scrub the overspray off sometime after I get the sunroof and everything, headliner situated. But I'll show y'all what it's doing. Let me see. It is very what you call it, efficient on whatever you put in there. Doesn't take up. Yep, I dig it, man. I like it. So, well, I can do these doors too. Show y'all how I did it. So I can say, man, all in all, it does work well. If you buy a cheap tornado, I've seen that they fall apart. So I wouldn't recommend buying one that is not real. And also, it makes the process of cleaning a lot faster. Like, you can always wipe the door down, but you can't always get into these crevices and stuff. Between buttons and stuff like that. There's been times where I had to take a window switch or a door switch out and get behind the button, so if you can blow it, it's like the wind. Stuff like this under these clips. So if you can blow that stuff, like the vent, so you can blow it, then wipe it, it's good. You don't have to go one by one and going crazy. The tool gonna work for you. Spray it in. I have to take this back up and put it over this weather strip. I'm gonna get a little squirrel brush and I'll be able to show you. I can show you all the other side. Overall, looks real good. Dust coming up real fast. And dirt. So this is gonna be a challenge. So I'm gonna see what to do with this. And then I'll upload it later because about to go eat. Overspray again, overspray. But I can all get most of that. But toy guns, my daughter's toys. She'll be able to see this car done for the first time here in a couple hours. Yeah, works well. Didn't get the pin markings out. I might have to get it alcohol or try to. Yeah, shoot that up. All in all, man, if you can knock out a few cars today with it, I mean, I think you can get your money back in one day. Literally 1 day. $50 a car. I think the tool was $175, $180, so 4 cars in the day. Quick detail. I think you'll be able to get it back. With that, bucket of water, extractor, 1 car. For me, I wouldn't detail a car. Other people's cars. I don't like it. Too much work, not enough money. High price area, I guess. Oh man, I gotta get these. Oh, it's for F3 tires. I got something to cover it now. Showing y'all the what the doors did look like and what they look like now. Back pillars, back deck.